everyone, today we're going to learn how to use the dishwasher in the sand dollar. So I'm going to place this little pod here, and then you just have to push it, make sure it stays there, and then I'm just going to lift this up and then make sure you hear a click. There you go. Turn it on. And then of course you've got the half load setting, delicate setting, sanitize, heavy auto, eco, normal, express, rinse, start delay, or delay start, extra shine. So I'm gonna do normal, and then I'm gonna press start. And then you already can kind of hear it. And there you are. That is how you do a normal load in the dishwasher.